If you've ever worked a shift schedule, you already know it messes with your soul. But did you know there are actually 7 types of shift workers? Let's find out which one you are, and why your sleep might be trash because of it. First, there's the rotator, one day on nights, the next on mornings. This one never knows what time it is or what year it is. Then we have the zombie, walks into work half asleep, powered by caffeine and pure regret. The split shifter works 2 separate shifts in one day, and nobody knows how they're still standing. The vampire thrives at night, hisses at sunlight, and eats breakfast at 8 p.m. The overcompensator pulls double shifts, claims 4 hours of sleep is enough, and crashes dramatically by Thursday. The burnout hasn't slept properly since 2019 and looks 30 years older than they are. And finally, the survivor uses sleep hacks, blackout curtains, caffeine timing, and still looks semi-human. Whichever one you are, one thing is true: shift work wrecks sleep. That's why I made a free emergency energy protocol, a fast, step-by-step plan for when you just can't fall asleep. Grab it in the description. And if you're ready to actually fix your sleep, my full shift worker sleep mastery system is 15% off for the first 100 people. Use code SHIFTREST15 to join today.